There is only one reason why there are only women staff here. That is because we have limited space in this conference hall. Definitely this is a cause which should not keep the men out. Men are part and parcel of the entire cause of women's empowerment, especially Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Our friends from the media are the only male members, and of course our additional collector who are here, and maybe that one or two others are there. But staff, we have called only the women staff, because perhaps it's better to start off with the women, but by no means do we intend to exclude men from the entire process, because I honestly believe, and I've told this many times in the past also, that women's empowerment and bringing about gender equality is not something that can be a one-sided battle. Rather, it is not a battle at all. It's not a war. It's actually a very cooperative and a coordinated effort which men and women have to take forward together. The moment we start talking about it in terms of we against them, men against women, women fighting for their rights, when we use that type of terminology, that brings in unnecessary tension, conflict, which is to be avoided at all costs, because this is no battle. This is only, there was a time when it was a battle, there was a time when it was a struggle, but I think we have come to a situation in our society, across the world, especially in our country, where we have, as women, access to opportunities, not equal by any means, but we have access, and we find ourselves in positions and responsibilities where we can make a difference. Therefore, it's important to take this forward as a collaborative and coordinated effort. So we very much require the support and the cooperation and the participation of men in this process. Get together here today, and this program is not in isolation. It is part of, I would say, the larger national effort to bring the limelight onto the issue of gender empowerment and Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao in specific. So this initiative is very timely, and I'm happy that all of you are here together. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is a flagship program, as I mentioned, which focuses on a twofold agenda. The primary agenda, and the first and most important one, is to preserve the right of the girl child to be born. So it is a campaign against female feticide. We have laws in our country which are very strict, which are against female feticide. We have the PNDT Act about prenatal diagnostic tests, how they are restricted, and how we need to always ensure that they are only utilized and not misused. So that has been a very potent act which has helped to a very large extent in curbing the evil of female feticide. So Beti Bachao, that Bachao part of it, Beti ko bachana, that part of it looks at this dimension of preserving the right of the girl child to be born. Now after birth, the next stepping stone for the girl forward in life is education. We all know that, especially so in Goa, where there is so much awareness about the rights of women, especially the need for education of the girl child. But there are many parts of the country where this remains to be done. There is a huge gap between male and female education in certain other parts of the country. Therefore, keeping that in mind, the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao aspect deals with that. But the Padhana is not limited to just sending them to school. Beti Padhao also means opening up all the avenues for higher education, and to ensure that the girl child gets every opportunity to fulfill her dreams and aspirations. So it is not just limited to sending the girl child to the school and that is enough. Whether she drops out, whether she continues with higher education, that's not a concern. That's not the stand of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. The stand is that there must be a continuous process wherein we as a society together encourage and create the conditions where the girl child becomes a young woman, where she gets opportunities to expose herself to the best that the country and the world has to offer. Therefore, empowering the girl child, making her take decisions, aware decisions, by knowing about her legal rights, by knowing about her rights in all aspects of living. This is the focus of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Therefore, awareness about legal rights is a very important component, because that awareness then helps the woman to help herself and help others who are in need of guidance, there are several people in our society who still do not know about their legal rights. So that is one important aspect of this, and there are various other aspects, but since this is an initiative by the Lawyers Collective, that's why I thought I'll emphasize on the legal rights aspect of it.